Guys, this is a new innovative way to make money as a referral marketer, and this post from Dan proves it. He made $72,000 purely referring people to a very well-known platform. In fact, my business partner and I are using the very same model, and we've done about $150,000 in the last year alone. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step what we do and how you can replicate it and make some money as well. So we're talking about affiliate and referral marketing, which is quite the same, but a little bit different. The question is affiliate marketing still a good business model? Isn't it dead in 2026? And you're going to be surprised. Not only that affiliate marketing is not dead, but it's getting stronger by the day in 2026. So how Dan is making $72,000? Let's break down his business model, and I'm going to show you our business model as well. Like I said, we're talking about affiliate marketing on steroids with AI. Back in the day, you probably, if you're were a constant watcher of my channel, you know that I used to use ClickBank, which is a platform where you source other people's products and offers and you promote them and you get paid a commission percentage of the sale, right? So the new business model that Dan is using to make $72,000 is similar because he's an affiliate, as you can see here, but he's also a referral. How this works? We're talking about the platform Skool.com. This is very powerful platform for anyone who wants to make money. Actually, 3 ways to make money as a referral to Skool.com. The first one actually being a referral to creators. On Skool.com, we have a lot of thousands of creators who create courses, communities. First way to make money is just being a referral to these people. For example, if I refer people to this gentleman, Abu Crew, his membership is $260. If I refer one people or one, you just hear me what I said, one people. If I refer one customer or one person to this guy, I'm gonna get half of this or maybe 60%. So I'm gonna get $100 and about $30, $40, even $150. I don't have to create my own community. I don't have to deal with customers. I just refer people and I make money. I'm gonna show a live example. So I'm a member of this community, the School of Life. And what this does is this guy who is the owner, which is Luke. Luke is talking about entrepreneurship, seduction, attraction, manifestation, health, and more. Basically, it's a kind of a manosphere community for like-minded people. It costs $50 a month. If I click this button, invite people, I'm gonna earn 40% commissions for life when I invite a friend or anyone. This is your unique referral link. Copy this link, you save it on your notepad somewhere, like here. I'm gonna say affiliate Skool link and paste it here, boom. This is now my unique link. Every time someone clicks it, purchase the product or actually signs up as a member here, I'm gonna get paid $40. I mean $23 each month, by the way. Don't forget, this is a recurring monthly subscription. So every month I'm gonna be getting $23 from each customer I refer. Probably you're thinking now, okay, Ross, it's good. I'm gonna generate an affiliate link or referral link, but where should I post it? Like, what should I do with it? I'm going to show you in just a second what I do to get some traffic. It's good to promote something you believe in. For example, I really like this guy. I like the community, you know, I'm a part of it. So I know what I'm inviting people to something that they can benefit, something with value to them. The second way is referral to Skool itself. This is similar to the first one, but instead of you referring people to specific communities on Skool.com, you're referring people to become creators on Skool.com. You're going to have your own profile here. When I click the profile, I have this section called affiliates. And if I click that section, now I can generate another affiliate link here, but this link will redirect people to sign up for Skool itself, not to a particular creator, but to the actual Skool community for them to become creators. I hope you're getting the difference. The first way of making money is you refer people to join a specific community as members, right? As a community member. The second way is you refer people to become the creators. Let me copy this link and I'm gonna show you on a new tab how it looks like. Boom, this is it. It says, Ross Minchev invited you. You sign up to be a creator and create your own community. Calligraphy School community, it's about $6,000 per month. I mean, these two ladies are making. This gentleman is earning $32,000 a month. Skool creators are paying about $100 to $150 a month for their Skool community to have it on Skool. So every single month you're gonna be getting half of this, or let's see, 40%. So 40% every month for anyone you have referred, you're gonna be getting paid. So you can see the power is there. It's very actually unique to be a Skool creator. I myself, I'm also a Skool creator of my own community, which is Profit Avengers. If I open it on a new tab, you're going to see this is my own community. It's actually our third way to make money, which is to use Skool as Skool. Basically, I'm using this platform to host Profit Avengers, our own community, our own courses and coaching, and that also is making us money because people pay us monthly to be part of this community. We're making about $10,000 to $15,000 a month purely from the membership fee. But again, you have to keep in mind that we're providing value to our community members. We're actually doing live calls every single week. We have courses, we have coaching programs inside that community, and we actually talk with our community members because they are our business partners and our business clients. So we really take care of them. That's why they keep paying us for years, not months. Most of our members have been members of our Skool community for years now, not months, because they believe in what we do and we actually help each of our students. But here is how you can actually double your money. That's a secret tip that people don't realize it exists. Now you see these communities charging monthly, but some of these communities have a yearly subscription. And what it means is that some of these yearly subscriptions, like this one, look at this, is $6,000 a year. So if you refer someone for a yearly subscription, you're gonna get paid $3,000 from one customer. Think about that. Obviously, very few people are going to sign up or pay $3,000 right away off the bat. Who out there is just seeing a link of a membership and says to themselves, yeah, let me spend 6,000 grand on this unknown lady from this unknown website. This is where we come to the second part of this video, driving traffic to your links, either referral links to creators or a Skool membership link or your own Skool community. In order to be successful with this business model, you need two main components: educate and transform. It's not about information. Information, people don't like to see much information anymore. Educate people and transform them. Quick wins. What I mean by that? I have an Instagram page. I have a bunch of Instagram pages. I have a YouTube channel. I have TikTok channels as well, or accounts. And I also have Pinterest accounts. And I share on these channels different ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing, creating your own business, vibe coding, personal finances, and accounting. So let's say you want to promote the acting lab, right? So I highly recommend, before you promote anything, like I said, sign up for whatever you're going to be promoting and start studying what they teach. Start absorbing the content. Then use AI. For example, Claude AI. I'm going to keep our previous reference to the acting lab. I say here, hey Claude, you're my senior social media content strategist. Please study the Skool community with that link. And then I want you to give me a complete 2-week social media content strategy focusing on short form videos. Claude's gonna give you a complete breakdown on what you need to do in the next 14 days when it comes to short form content. Why you need short form content? Because nowadays, 2026, all of these platforms, Instagram, TikTok, even YouTube Shorts, are prioritizing new content every single day. And this is because people don't like to see one piece of content twice. So these platforms are constantly seeking for new contents, fresh content every single day. And here's an example I did a couple of months ago. This is my TikTok account, not the original one, but I just did it as a test. I was able to generate 100,000, even 300,000, 24,000 views with just dummy AI brain rot content. Now, I'm not saying you have to do the same. Look at this one, 97,000 views, 62,000 views. And look at this. These are the only videos that I have on the channel. Not much. What I'm trying to emphasize here is you don't have to have a big following. You don't have to have a big audience. You just can start right away, but if you're strategic about what you're doing, because here I wasn't strategic, I was just shooting darts in the dark just to see if it sticks, and for my surprise, yes, it works. Now obviously I have other channels where I post better content for affiliate marketing so I can drive people to sign up for my Skool community, but that's one of the ways you can do. You either use AI to recreate content, or to create content and start distributing it on TikTok, on Instagram, and on Pinterest, and even on YouTube. Or the second one, which is in my opinion better, ask the creator for permission to clip his videos and just distribute them with your affiliate link in the bottom. What I mean is this. One gentleman asked me if he can create like a channel for my YouTube, which is not me, but he could distribute my YouTube videos. And I was like, yes. So he created, I believe this is the channel, Ross Minchev Clips, and he started cropping my YouTube videos. All right. So you can do the same. You just ask the creator, can I use your videos? Because the videos are already out there. You don't have to create them with AI. You just crop them, maybe improve them with AI, and then just start distributing them again. TikTok gives you a lot of love if you're consistent. You have to post 1 or 2 videos every day. And if you have the videos already, you just have to crop them with CapCut and you're good to go. There are other ways to make this work. If you don't want to use AI, if you don't want to use other people's videos, you can use meta ads. Now, this is going to cost you something, obviously, because it's a paid marketing, but it can be very, very effective. And once you set it up and you find your perfect audience, the Andromeda update for meta ads is going to be bringing you customers every single day to your referral links or to your own Skool community. I can create a separate video on meta ads, how we use them successfully every single day, not only for our Skool community, but for our affiliate offers. These are the 3 ways you can make money with referral affiliate marketing. Refer people to the Skool community, refer people to the Skool platform itself, or refer people to your own Skool community. Become a Skool creator. I hope you find this video valuable. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And if you want to see another way on how I use Manus AI, this is the new AI tool that everybody talks about. If you want to see how I'm using it to make more money, watch this video next in the top corner to see how I do it.